into the room, your bathroom's to the right, regular bathroom, pretty decent counter space. As of today, I don't know, I've never used one of those. The closet, very nice. They do have a blanket up here. They have a couple extra pillows on the other side, as well as a few drawers and a safe. And if you wanted to do your laundry, they have the paperwork for that. And when you come into the room, you've got the mini bar right here. So you got a fridge with some beverages in it, and then some glasses right here. And you've got your desk right here with a small TV. You got your coffee right here. Now, you got this nice little seating area here, the queen size beds here. Wait till you check out the balcony. Before I go out there, there's literally no plug in here to charge. There's nothing at the nightstands. There's nothing at the desk. They have one plug under here that it's got, well, there's two plugs. One's going to the TV, so I'm gonna have to unplug that and use it. The other one's going to control the coffee, so I've got to undo, like, that's what you've got to do. There's no spare outlets here. Now, let's go check out this balcony and view. What do you think about that? Not a bad view. So we are in a queen room with a balcony. This is what you get. Pretty nice. So it's the twilight hour here, and the view is not disappointing. Check it out. The only thing that would have made it better is if that was gone, because the sun sets right about there, and you can see you could have seen the different color of the clouds as it was setting, but you couldn't see the sunset itself. But I mean, look at how cool that view is. It's like something from a Thomas Kincaid painting or something. If you're looking for a hotel that really captures the charm of old Lisbon, we're staying at the Olissippo Castelo, and that might be exactly what you're looking for. It's tucked right up against the ancient walls of the castle, here in the heart of the city's historic Barrio de Castelo neighborhood, which is right in the heart of Alfama. Now, this means that you're surrounded by the winding cobblestone streets of Alfama and Moria. It's two of Lisbon's most authentic districts. What makes this place special is the view. Because it's perched on the hill next to the castle, many of the rooms overlook the rooftops of Lisbon all the way out towards the river. That's kind of a view that really reminds you that you're in Portugal. I mean, check it out. It's awesome, right? Staying here at the hotel, there are a couple things to keep in mind. Because of where it's located, right on a hill, getting here involves a bit of an uphill climb. You can definitely walk it, but if you're feeling energetic. But taxis and ride shares make it much easier, especially if you've got luggage. And also, parking around the castle area is pretty limited, and it's not really the best spot if you're renting a car. But the rooms are comfortable and spacious for Lisbon standards, but some people mention that the decor leans a bit classic, not outdated, just not ultra modern. Think warm tones, wood furniture, and big windows opening to the city views. I mean, they do have that balcony that we're on, which is fantastic. Now, it does include breakfast, depending on how you book it. Breakfast highlights here are pretty good. I mean, it's a nice buffet setup with plenty of choices and fresh pastries, and you can walk from the hotel down to Rocio Square, the Lisbon Cathedral, and some of the best Miradores or viewpoints in about 10 to 15 minutes. Overall, the hotel is a good choice. I'm glad that I made it. It's uphill, but everything here in Lisbon is uphill. It's on cobblestone streets. See, sidewalks, they're not the best, but this is the oldest district. So if you're coming to Lisbon and you want to stay in the oldest neighborhood here in Lisbon, Alfama is it. If you have any questions about the hotel, let me know. It is a 4-star hotel. It may not give the 4-star vibes, but for being in the oldest neighborhood in Portugal, it's a 4-star. And even the birds like it here. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.